Hey crypto crew! Let's face it, the world of cryptocurrency can feel like a whole new frontier. New lingo, new platforms, and a whole new set of rules. It's enough to make your head spin. So, if you're just dipping your toes into the crypto pool, you might have a ton of questions. And one of the big ones that pops up for a lot of folks is, what banks does Kraken actually work with? Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick step back. Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange, which means it's essentially a marketplace where you can buy, sell, and trade digital currencies. Think of it like a giant, virtual stock exchange, but instead of stocks, you're trading things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all sorts of other cool crypto projects. Alright, now that we're on the same page, let's get back to that burning question: what banks does Kraken accept? The good news is, Kraken actually partners with a whole bunch of different banking providers around the world. This means that depending on your location and your bank, you might have a few different options for funding your Kraken account and pulling out your hard-earned crypto gains. Here's the catch: Kraken doesn't actually have a list of approved banks. Instead, they work with a network of what they call funding providers. These are basically partner banks and financial institutions that facilitate the transfer of money between your regular bank account and your Kraken account. Now, this might sound a little complicated, but it actually gives you a lot of flexibility. Because Kraken works with multiple providers, you can usually find one that works seamlessly with your existing bank. Pretty nifty, right? So, how do you find out which funding providers Kraken works with in your region? Easy. Just head over to your Kraken account and navigate to the funding page. There, you'll be able to see a list of available deposit and withdrawal options based on your chosen currency. It's like a one-stop shop for all your Kraken funding needs. Now, while Kraken works with a bunch of different banking partners, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, some banks might have their own policies in place regarding cryptocurrency transactions. It's always a good idea to check with your bank directly to make sure they're cool with you moving money to and from a crypto exchange. Second, not all funding providers are created equal. Some might offer faster transfer times, while others might have slightly higher fees. So, it pays to take a look at your options and choose the one that best suits your needs. Kraken also has a handy-dandy list of banks that have historically had issues processing transactions with cryptocurrency exchanges. This list is a great resource to check out before you try to fund your account, just to avoid any hiccups. Here's the bottom line: Kraken doesn't work directly with specific banks, but they have a network of funding providers that allow you to easily move money between your bank account and your Kraken account. With a little research, you can find the perfect provider for your situation and start your crypto journey with confidence. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading.